Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy noodles recipe made with green mung bean sprouts. So let's get started with the recipe. To make sprouts noodles, I'm using buckwheat noodles. Buckwheat is also known as kutuka atta or soba noodles. Along with this, I'll be using a generous helping of my homemade green moong dal sprouts. I have already shared the recipe. Links will be updated in the description box below. Please do check it out. I'm heating my cast iron wok with wood pressed sesame oil, also known as gingerly oil or til oil. Wood pressed sesame oil has a very neutral flavor and taste, and it is also ideal to use in Asian cooking. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 6 to 7 garlic chopped. Give it a stir and allow the garlic to turn light golden brown in color. This will help the oil to get infused with the garlic flavor. Once the garlic starts to turn light golden brown in color, I'm adding in a handful or about 7 to 8 beans thinly sliced. White part of the spring onions, 1 carrot thinly sliced, and give it a good stir. Allow the vegetables to get stir fried and lightly cooked. Remember, I'm using a heavy bottomed cast iron kadai, hence heat retention will be more, which also will help the vegetables to get stir fried quickly. Along with stir frying the vegetables and the sprouts, I'm also boiling some water to cook the noodles. Into this, I'm adding in some pink Himalayan salt as needed. Once the water boils, add in the buckwheat noodles and cook the noodles for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, the vegetables are stir fried. Into this, I'm adding in pink Himalayan salt as needed. Half cup of cabbage sliced. I'm adding in 2 large handfuls of green moong dal sprouts, also known as green moong sprouts. Give it a good stir. Meanwhile, the noodles has started to cook. Stirring the noodles like this will prevent the noodles from sticking to each other. So this step is very important. Make sure that you stir the noodles like this as it starts to get cooked. The vegetables are getting stir fried, so I'm giving it a good mix. After 5 minutes, I'm transferring the cooked noodles onto a strainer. Okay, now I have rinsed the noodles under running water. When you rinse it under running water, the starches will be released and it also stops the noodles from cooking any further. Before adding the noodles, I'm adding in a couple of splashes of coconut aminos. Coconut aminos is a healthier alternative to soy sauce, but it is slightly lighter than soy sauce, so you may need to adjust it as per your taste. Black pepper powder as needed, and give it all a good mix. Add in the cooked buckwheat noodles. Give it a good stir. Now if you feel you need more coconut aminos, you can add in another couple of tablespoons. It is slightly thinner than soy sauce, so you may need to adjust it as per your taste. Once nicely mixed, sprinkle in chopped spring onions, and my buckwheat sprouts noodles is ready to serve. I'm going to transfer this to a bowl. Do try this healthy buckwheat sprouts noodles recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.